Peace, peace, good people. You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. And yes, you see me at the shop. And yes, this is another shop talk. Another? Damn. I'm about to trip over my own self. But hey, it's a beautiful day, man. It's not a cloud in the sky. I mean, literally, it's not a cloud in the sky. It's not warm per se, but it's a beautiful day. All right? You seen the thumbnail, so you know what the topic is about? Let's talk about it. Run my intro. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's C4,
baby.
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I hope all is well. Come on up in the house so we can have this conversation. Good, good. You see me? I'm right. But as I stated, I hope your day is going well. I just came to sit down and have a conversation with you guys. You know who I am. If you don't, I'm Wrenchturna. All right. So today's topic is about choosing the right plug. When you go into an auto store, right, they give you many different options. I'm talking about from the cheapest to the most costly or the most expensive, if you will. All right. Now, some would say you get what you pay for. A lot of times that is right. But you have to buy a plug contingent on your application. If you're doing everyday driving, if you're racing, if you're drag racing, if you're on the highway all the time. You know what I mean? Like, you have to choose a plug that's contingent to your car's needs or to your setup. So when it comes down to like the cars that I like, most of the time it's German cars, unless I find a car that's of another maker, pardon me, that I really, really like. Now, like, even when I used to have my Chevy, I used to run, what plugs did I run? Yes. Okay. I'll show 'em how we get it, baby. I'ma break it all down to the ground and such. I'ma ketchup and hot sauce, niggas is lunch. My flow come tighter than DVDs. Try to touch me and poison like BBD. I'm big, black, established. Never had stylist. I don't want your bitch. I'm worried about malice. Caribbean sands like Grand Caveman. No cell phone, now I holler when I land. My treatment deep, man, call that sick. Seeds of cheap weed you want backyard. Around town on leather lounge. 47 two clips like 94. Really bugging me because I can't remember what plugs I used to run. I mean, it was the 90s. I was a teenager, you know what I mean? So I really can't remember what plugs I used to run. But in any event, like with the cars that I drive now, like German cars, either you're running NGKs or you're running Bosch. Like, a lot of people are running NGKs now, especially, you know, a lot of import cars. But you have to take into consideration how hot of a plug you need for your application. Because, you know, you could be thinking, oh, I want the most spark. If the more spark I can make, the more power I can make. True. But how long is that plug gonna last you? 1,000 miles? 2,000 miles? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not delegating nobody's pockets, but hey, man, plugs get costly after some time. You know what I mean? Real costly. So you want, me personally, like, I just try to get the right plug. Like, these plugs right here. These are NGK Iridiums. These are a very good plug. Besides this plug, the only other plug that I would buy is a Bosch Iridium or either double platinum. That's just me. And no, I am not plugged by them or anything. That's just my choice. You know what I mean? And I know some of my homeboys probably gonna call me up talking about, oh, I see you with them NGKs. But you know what it is. But to keep it all the way in focus, you have to choose your spark plug correctly and do your research. You know what I'm saying? See how much spark a spark plug gives off, and then find out what you need to either up what you're doing or either stay at the same without what's the word I'm looking for? Without sacrificing power, performance, anything that you want out of your car. Don't sacrifice anything over a plug or because you're trying to go buy them El Cheapos. You know what I mean? Don't go buy them El Cheapos, man. Like, buy you a decent plug. Your car will thank you for it. I promise you it will. But you know, this is the end of the video. I ain't about to hold you. Hop in, hop out. You know what I mean? Hey, I'll talk to you guys next time. This has been another Shop Talk. I hope that you know somebody loves you. Keep your head to the sky and remember that you can do it. Whatever it is that you're doing, everything is possible. All right? Talk to you guys real soon. It's a little chilly out here. You know, I got dog and all that. Talk to you guys real soon, all right? Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.